Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to upload an Excel sheet to Google Drive and make it editable. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, go to the Google Drive website. Then, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Over here, if you're not signed in, log in to continue. After that, look at the upper left corner and click on the new button with a plus sign. Then, from the menu that appears, click on File Upload. Over here, a file window will open. After that, browse and select the Excel file you want to upload. Then, click on Open. You will see a progress bar in the bottom right corner showing the upload status. After that, once the file is uploaded, it will appear in your Google Drive. Then find the uploaded file. Over here, it will be shown with a green Excel icon. Double click on the file to open the preview. After that, click on the Open with Google Sheets button at the top. Then the file will open in Google Sheets and become editable. Over here, you can now edit the file. To collaborate with others, click the Share button in the top right corner. After that, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, set their permissions, and click Send. So that's basically how you can upload an Excel sheet to Google Drive and make it editable. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.